By the end of this video, you're going to have your own sleek and minimalistic piano design, just like this one. Let's get started with the process. Let's begin by making the 7 white keys. The width would be 50, the height would be 150, and the corner radius would be 15. Now we just want 7 of these. Let's group them and ensure they are distributed horizontally. And now we can adjust this spacing over here, and I want it to be 4 actually. Center this design. Now let's start with the black keys. We're going to do the same thing, yet make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to make this 40 and a height of 100. Corner radius of 10, and the color would be black. Now let's position this. Make sure that it is aligned in the center like this. Now this is the C sharp note. Let's make the D sharp note. And now this is centered. And if you know your piano keys, the next will be the F sharp, and then the G sharp, and then A sharp. There you have the 5 black keys. Let's group these as well. Now I'm going to insert the background. Let's center this. Let's give it a dark color and ensure that it's under the groups. I resized it to fit snugly, and I'm going to add the top part. Let's center this and add a corner radius of 5. I'm going to lower this down a bit to cover up the gaps. And now for the last part, I'm going to add hover effects for each key. And there you have it. If you enjoyed designing this minimalistic piano in Figma, you won't want to miss my next video, where we'll bring this into life with React. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when it's live. Let's keep creating together.